All right, welcome everybody. This is Mark Williams again. Mark Mega Maestro. I have not made a video in a long time. I've been chilling, taking a break, and I have some updates. What have I been up to? I've been up to a lot of things. I've been very busy. So this is what I'm up to right now. I've got a 535i BMW. I actually sold the Volkswagen CC because I didn't like the way Volkswagen treated me with customer service. So I sold it, and I used that money, and I actually bought a BMW 535i, which is an inline six, about 300 horsepower, twin turbo. This is my first twin turbo car, and I just put the just new coil packs on here, 6 of them. Next time I'm probably gonna buy like better ones, because these ones are so like irritating, man. I don't want to get shocked. I'm gonna leave that there, but yeah, engine sounds good. It doesn't seem like it's misfiring at all, and sounds great. So this is the new car. It's actually, I got a good deal. I went to IA auction, as you guys know that I am a dealer. Excuse me. And so I have a check engine light. I had a check engine light prior to that because I think the coil packs needed to be changed. I'm gonna reset those. And I have a crack on the window. I'm working on fixing it. I don't think I can see it. I have to wash that. But yeah, this is what's going on right now. And I have no gas. I haven't driven the car in a while. So this is it. It's actually a very clean car. You know, very clean. Upholstery is very good. I may sell this at some point. Just have to put some mods on it. But this is what I've been up to. So I know you guys have not heard from me in a while. I'm real sorry about that, but that's how life is. Life is so busy these days. You know, so this is it right here. So I'll just give you a short update about what's going on. The car's, some parts of it are apart because I've been working on it. So I will let you guys know what's up with the build. I was thinking maybe I would do like an MHD tune with the Burble map, but we'll see how it goes. I have more important things to do than that, so I don't know if I'm going to ever do that. But I will give you guys, I'll keep you guys updated, and we'll go from there. Mark Mega Maestro, have a good day.